Hey everyone! Today I'm sharing a free, super easy fertilizer recipe that will give your plants a big boost and help them grow faster and stronger. It's great for almost any plant in your garden or orchard, and the best part is, it's perfect to use right now at the beginning of the growing season. This fertilizer is something I make every year, and it all starts with fresh cow manure. You don't need anything fancy, just a container sized for how many plants you want to feed. The bigger the container, the more plants you can cover. To make our fertilizer, we'll need a few simple ingredients: a container, fresh cow manure, and water. The size of the container will depend on the amount of fertilizer you wish to make. Generally, you'll want to use 1/3 cow manure and fill the rest of the container with water. Cover the container loosely with a lid to allow air circulation and prevent odors. But here's the catch. Fresh cow manure isn't suitable for immediate use. It can contain weed seeds, pests, and high levels of ammonia, which can be harmful to plants. That's why we need to let it undergo a process called composting or aging. This involves allowing the manure to decompose over time, during which harmful substances break down and beneficial nutrients become more readily available. Now here's where patience comes into play. We'll let the mixture sit for about 7 days, allowing it to undergo the composting process. During this time, harmful substances like ammonia evaporate, and the beneficial nutrients become more concentrated and accessible to plants. This step is crucial for ensuring that our fertilizer is safe and effective for use in the garden. After the week-long waiting period, our fertilizer is ready to be applied to our plants. However, we don't want to use it at full strength, as it may be too potent and could potentially burn our plants. Instead, we'll dilute it with water, using a ratio of 1 part fertilizer to 10 parts water. This ensures that our plants receive a gentle yet nourishing dose of nutrients to support their growth and development. So why is this homemade fertilizer so beneficial for our vegetables and fruit plants? Well, it's all about providing them with the essential nutrients they need to thrive. From potassium and phosphorus to magnesium, our fertilizer delivers a well-rounded blend of nutrients that promotes healthy growth, improves fruit and flower production, and boosts overall crop yields. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helps you create a more productive and sustainable garden. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tutorials.